Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how you can organize and manage your saved items in Slack. This guide is going to be your best friend for staying organized and efficient in 2025. First things first, let's get to saving messages. Hover over the message you want to keep track of and click on the Save icon. Now that we've done that, you might be wondering, why save messages? Well, this is a great way to keep important information, tasks, or even casual jokes at your fingertips. Slack keeps all your saved messages in one place for quick access later. Now, to view your saved items, simply click on your name in the top left corner and select Saved Items from the drop-down menu. This helps us because it allows us to see all of our saved messages in one place, making it easier to find that one important note or task when you need it. Next up, managing these saved items. You can easily unsave items by hovering over the message and clicking the Save icon again. The reason we do this is to declutter our saved items list and keep only the most relevant ones handy. Additionally, there's the option to organize saved items using threads. Just click on the message you saved. It will open in the right sidebar where you can add a reply to start a thread. This is useful to categorize your saved items topic-wise, making it easier to navigate through them. Let me explain why this matters. If you're working on several different projects, threads can help you keep your saved items sorted by project or topic. Finally, here's what's happening behind the scenes when you save items. Slack is essentially bookmarking these messages, making them easily accessible for you. But remember, your saved items are private to you, even if the original message is in a public channel. And that's all there is to it. You're now fully equipped to organize and manage your saved items in Slack, making you more efficient than ever. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next guide.